everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily backup of your iPhone 16 Pro Max and protect all of your important data. Whether you are using iCloud or computer, I've got you covered with the simple step-by-step instructions to make sure your photos, contacts, apps, and more are safe and secure. Let's dive right in. First of all, download the last version of iTunes and install it, and after that connect your iPhone with USB cable to your PC or Mac, and after that open up the iTunes. When you open up your iTunes, you will see this device icon, so click on it. In this interface you must select summary tab in settings, and here we have backups, and as you can see here, you can see 3 checkboxes, which are iCloud, this computer, and encrypt local backup. In this video we don't cover iCloud option, and I recommend to you always use this computer for backing up your device. Now I will tell you what is the encrypt local backup. This option is for encrypting your iPhone backups for extra security for your data and your passwords. I don't recommend to you to turn on this checkbox, because imagine the time you lost your iPhone or lost your data and you don't remember what password did you choose for this option, and you need to restore your iPhone from this backup and you don't have password, and the iTunes don't agree to restore your data. If you have your personal laptop or your personal PC, you don't need to to turn on this checkbox. In a case you don't have your personal laptop or PC, you can use this option to set password for your backup. And there is a so important point, guys, here. Whenever you wanna back up your iPhone, please pay attention to latest backup date. You must see here your backup with accurate date. I mean the day and the time, because when you want to restore your device and your backup, you need to latest backup of your device, not for another days, just for 2 days. Now select this computer and click on backup now. After click on button, your iPhone wants password, so type your password and wait. There is some important point, guys, I should tell you. Depending on what volume of information you have on your iPhone, I mean photos, videos and more, the duration of backup from your iPhone's information is different. The greater the size of your information, the longer the backup time. For example, as you can see in my iPhone's screenshot, my iPhone's information is about 92 GB and my iPhone backup operation took about an hour. So the important point is that you wait until the end of the backup operation and have patience. Guys, to avoiding wasting time and reducing the duration of the video, I added video speed. After the backup operation is fully carried out, you will no longer see loading on the page, which means that the backup is fully performed. Now there is a question here. How do we find out if the backup is completely taken? The answer is here. With this information, you can find out you have backup on your PC or your laptop. Now let me tell you another important point here, guys. When you go to Edit and Performance, here on Device tab, you will see your device backups. As you can see, I have just one device and you can see the date of the backup. So here you can select your backup and delete it In a case you don't have more storage on your PC or Mac, you can use actually this option. So here is nothing left to say, my friends. If you like this kind of video, please do not forget that subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon guys. Be careful of yourself. Goodbye.